Need to send money internationally with Taptap Send and hitting a snag. This video will guide you through the simple steps to verify your account. First, open your Taptap Send app. You might see a notification at the top of the screen or somewhere in the app signaling that your account needs verification. Tap on the notification or the account settings usually indicated by your profile icon to get started. Now, look for a button that says Verify Account, Account Settings, or something similar to indicate you should begin verification. Tap on it to proceed to the document upload stage. On this screen, you will need to select the type of document you want to upload. Common options include your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Carefully choose the one you have available. Once you've chosen the document type, the app will likely ask you to take a photo or upload an image of it. Make sure your document is clearly visible and that all the information is legible. Hold your document flat and make sure there is good lighting. The app will probably show a preview of your document. To check if it's of good quality, double check that all the details, like your name, date of birth, and document number are readable. If anything is blurry, retake the photo or upload a clear image. After you're satisfied with the image, submit your document. The app may take a few moments to process it, so be patient. You'll likely see a processing indicator, whether that be a progress bar or a notification in the app's dashboard. Finally, you should receive some form of confirmation. This could be a message saying that your documents have been successfully submitted or that your account is under review. You'll likely receive an email notification once the verification is complete and you are done. With your account verified, sending money is now quicker and safer.